Major Hurricane Dora 2023 last modified, 3 o'clock August 4, 2023 UTC. This is a dangerous system. Damaging winds, heavy rainfall, storm surge, rough seas, mudslides, and flash flooding are all possible risks. As noted in the previous advisory, Dora appeared to have completed an eye wall replacement earlier today, August 3, and the small eye warmed considerably by midnight UTC, surrounded by a solid ring of deep convection with cloud tops as cold as -80 to -85 C. An intense burst of deep convection within the southern eye wall has recently obscured the eye, but that might be more of a reflection of the hurricane's small size rather than a significant degradation of its structure. Subjective Dvorak estimates have increased to T6.5/127 knots and T6.0/115 knots from SAB and TAFB, respectively, while objective estimates from UWSIMS range from 120 to 130 knots. The initial intensity is conservatively set near the lower end of the estimates 140 miles per hour, 120 knots, given the recent obscuration of the eye. Dora's initial motion remains south of due west, or 260/16 knots. A stronger than normal ridge located to the north is forecast to build westward in tandem with Dora, keeping the hurricane on a general westward trajectory for the entire 5-day forecast period. In fact, much of the track guidance suggests that Dora is likely to lose latitude for the next 4 days or so. The main forecast difference compared to the previous advisory is that the guidance is showing a slower motion in the 2 to 4 day period, and the NHC track forecast has been slowed down accordingly, trending toward the HCCA consensus aid. Despite Dora's recent re-strengthening, the intensity guidance suggests that the hurricane may begin weakening again during the next 24 to 36 hours, likely as a result of some increase in shear and water temperatures cooling to near 27 C. By 36 to 48 hours, however, the shear appears to decrease once again, and sufficiently warm waters of 26-27 C should allow the hurricane's intensity to change little for a couple of days. It should be noted that if Dora's track shifts any farther south, then it would move over warmer waters and could even have the potential to re-intensify in the low shear environment. Additional weakening is noted by days 4 and 5, following the overall trends in the intensity guidance, but Dora is expected to remain a hurricane through the entire 5-day forecast period.